Hello, 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 and welcome back. Tonight I want to tap on an assortment of things for your relaxation, and I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to start by lighting a candle. It is one of the wooden wick candles. And the glass is frosted glass. So I have a little lighter here. We're going to light it for you. It is in the scent Sweet Pea. Okay. I recently saw a video. I think it was Whispers Red, and she was unwrapping a book that was wrapped in paper. And I recently bought a little perfume, and when I checked out, the woman wrapped it in paper, and I was so excited because I thought, oh, maybe I can film a video with it. And yeah, so I just hope you enjoy, and you can just get sleepy with me while I tap on a few things. I have some glass, some paper, and some leather. Okay, I'm going to start with these two little nail polishes because I like that sound of them clanking together like that. One is brown and the other is red. I recently wore the brown one to an event I went to, and personally I like brown more than black. They also go well together, don't you think? Do you like that sound? Of glass hitting other glass? I think it is relaxing. The little ding sound I like. I tried filming this video a few days ago, but I keep running into the problem of no storage, and it's been quite frustrating. I can't make really long videos. Sometimes I want to make them longer, but I run into the issue every time. I know I'll eventually figure it out, but for now, we'll just have to stick with the shorter ones. Wow, that candle is loud. Maybe I'll move it away a little bit. Okay, next I have this cute little journal. I don't really use it as a journal, but more of a like password book, I guess, or the important things, the little things that I need to remember go into this book. there is little gold lettering on the front that just says journal. Okay. I also recently got a set of press-on nails, and I liked the sound of the cardboard. Another thing I brought is a little coin purse. You can probably hear the change that is in there. I don't think a lot of people use change as much anymore, right? But I thought the sounds of it were nice. This one is textured. And there are little flowers with the Coach emblem on the front. This one is old, and I actually have gotten pen down the side of it somehow. Who knows? Okay, last but not least, we'll get into the last one. I'm going to move everything though, just so that we have room. Okay. I'm not always a big fan of paper, but something about the cheap, boring stuff you get when you buy something glass